Introducing the latest advancement in security systems, the AX Hub from Hikvision. This revolutionary one-platform solution combines proven intruder technologies with world-leading video. The extensive range of sensors offer total coverage of every single angle, keeping homes secure and families safe. The AX Hub is designed to bring beauty and security together. With a sleek, stylish finish, it fits effortlessly into and complements any home interior. The AX Hub's easy three-step installation ensures fast, efficient setup and reduces configuration time. With revolutionary intruder verification as a service, the onboard 7-second video buffer allows homeowners and monitoring stations to quickly and efficiently confirm alarms through video verification, whilst also alerting users if cameras are compromised direct through the app and by email. With full Hikvision video compatibility, the AX Hub communicates with Hike Connect or IVMS, integrating security and video together like never before, with events verified from multiple angles across a number of different user platforms. The AX Hub's smoke, gas and water leak sensors warn of dangers and keep families safe and secure. Users can also keep an eye on elderly relatives, prolonging independence and enhancing quality of life. Proven wireless technology powers the AX Hub with anti-jamming and two-way wireless, keeping the system stable and secure. High-sensitivity transceivers in panels and sensors increase the wireless range, making the AX Hub suitable for almost any residential or small commercial application. This is just the beginning. The AX Hub's open platform enables future linkage with other lifestyle applications, adding lighting, heating and more. Intrusion with vision. Welcome to the one platform revolution.